From the perspective of the software team, one of the key differences between regular software design and development has to do with risk. Understanding the risks, controlling the risks. How is someone going to get hurt? It can be direct means like a shock, or indirect, such as the device not working. But understanding what those are and how the software can contribute to or mitigate those problems is the key aspect of the design and the development for the software. Key part of getting this right is ensuring that all members of the software development team are involved in the risk analysis, understanding the risks of the device, and also understanding how the risks apply to the different software items. Processes are a key part of ensuring that the right things are done and are seen to be done. They help drive the risk analysis, what needs to be done there, how the implementation is done, and how things are verified later on. The checklist provides the things that need to be done and the documentation that needs to be produced so that outside bodies can see what you did and why and ensure the implementation was good. What happens when things get missed? Fix them first, but then look into the how and the why. What happened? Why did it get missed? And look to try and improve the process to make sure that it doesn't get missed. And a key part of this discussion, though, is that it's not about blame. Don't assign blame. Understand why it happened to try and make sure it doesn't happen again. For developers, process and documentation is often seen as an impediment to getting their jobs done. Helping them to understand why the process is there and what the purpose of it is critical, not just to them implementing the process as it is, but understanding why, so that when they just want to code, they can understand the importance of the documentation moving forward. And as a supervisor or manager, a key part of your role is supporting that, making sure they have the time and the resources necessary to properly follow the process. And finally, listen to the team. Understand the pain points, understand the places they're making mistakes or the areas that are most onerous. Help them improve the processes, automate some things, simplify some process, help make it easier for them to do their job. For more information, check out the blogs at starfish.com.